Number will take a bit between the gate.
Okay.
But you have to wait around 2 hours for today.
Sorry?
2 hours?
2 hours.
Oh, are you serious? Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. In this vlog we're gonna check out East Bali. It's about 4:30 a.m. and we are leaving to watch sunrise at Lempuyang Temple. You don't have to leave this early, so stick around and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's go! So guys, note to self, we pump petrol once from a gas station and once from the roadside bottles. And the gas station, when we pumped, it was at least 75% cheaper. Maybe this is a one-off, but we're gonna try again. But yeah, make a note of this guys, maybe not buy petrol from the road, go to the gas station.
Two people?
2 people. Number will take a bit between the gate.
Okay.
But you have to wait around 2 hours for today.
Sorry?
2 hours?
2 hours.
Oh, are you serious? Hi guys, so we made it to Lempuyang Temple and to tell you the truth, I'm quite shocked. It is super packed and we were actually given a number to stay in line to take a picture at the gates as well. I didn't know it was like that, like it's really touristy. It's still really beautiful and it has a lot of history, which I don't think a lot of people who come here know. I think people are coming here just for the Instagram picture. Also, we were given these sarongs to wear, that 10,000 each. We were told actually before coming here that you only need to cover your shoulders and your knees, and that's fine, that you need to wear a sarong if you don't do that. But when we came here we were told that it was compulsory, so technically you pay 10,000 for the sarong and it's compulsory, plus you pay a small donation to enter the temple. So if you're planning on coming here, make sure you come before 7 a.m. We came here at 7 a.m. and the number is still 132. So anytime after 7 a.m. I don't think it's worth it. The best option that you have is to stay at a place called Ahmed, which is close by, and come here maybe at about 6:30, 6 o'clock. It will be really nice because you'll have the sunrise as well, because we just drove here for 2 hours from Canggu and we still didn't make it on time. Maybe if we left at like 4 or 3:30 in the morning, we could have.
We've got a life.
It's just not worth it just for an Instagram picture, I feel like. But if I'm coming here and there's size, beautiful history, all of that, it's all here, true, but it seems to be very focused on this specific gate, and that's it. Regardless of the fact that the temple is catering to mass tourism, it really has a lot of history behind it. It's considered the most highly regarded by the Balinese, and they believe that it's the temple that keeps the balance in all of Bali. So we decided to have breakfast while we waited, and there were a couple of shops nearby with food and snacks, and we kind of fell in love with these specific rice packets. We had some food, did a bit of work and enjoyed this view, and some of us even took a nap. 110. 110. Wake up, it's time to take an Instagram picture. Hi guys, so we just finished up at the Lempuyang Temple and it took us a total of 6 hours from the time we left Canggu to right now, which is when we finished it. So we arrived at about 7. Our number was 132. We waited and we just finished. The whole picture taking fiasco lasted less than a minute. So yeah, I mean, this attraction is completely up to you whether you want to visit it or not. Just be warned that you will have to wait at least 2 hours when you get here, so it just really depends on how badly you want this picture. The other thing is that when you do come here, you can actually get a guide and they can help you learn a lot more about the history of the temple, but you can also read up about it as well. That might make your time a little bit more worthwhile while you're waiting.
Our next location was Tirta Ganga, a former royal palace in eastern Bali, which is based on the beliefs of Balinese Hinduism, where the river Ganges and its waters are considered sacred.
We've just explored Tirta Ganga, and as you can see, it's super busy around 12 noon. Apparently the best times to come are early morning and late evening as usual. Tirta Ganga translates to the holy Ganges, so you can see the heavy influence of Hinduism on this island. The entrance is 40,000, and once you get in, there are also boats that can take you out into the water for another 20,000. Tons of fat koi fish that you can feed as well. Lots of Instagram pictures to take, and yeah, this is Tirta Ganga.
On our way back home, we decided to stop by the beach for some lunch. That's when we came across Bias Tugel Beach. I really hope I said that right.
Oh,
Very
nice.
rough. The water's very rough, but you can swim.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Oh, awesome.
Some late lunch actually.
Yeah, the restaurant's still cooking.
Oh, awesome.
So hard on the way up, huh?
It's not bad for young people like you.
What happened?
We thought we were climbing down to this really weird staircase to the beach, but it's just a dead end. I mean, it's really nice. Maybe if you come during low tide, you can have a swim here. But currently we are on all fours climbing back up, and I'm in a skirt. So
Yeah.
hey, someone is flying the drone. So guys, after a very tiring day, we decided to head back to Canggu, and we wanted to stop by the beach to get some lunch, late lunch, and we stumbled upon this place. It's a secret beach. It's actually quite hidden. I'll leave the name in the description and maybe somewhere on the screen here. Amazing. The food is also really tasty. I haven't tried mine yet, but Shehan's is really tasty. He's nasi. A little on the pricier side, but I mean, it's good food. You also got this amazing strip of white sand beach all to yourself, blue water. It's a little rough right now, but I'm guessing in the morning during low tide that it's quite nice to be around. So yeah, I think this day is definitely made just by this find.
And that brings our East Bali adventures to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.